Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Connect Network GTL. We'll cover the straightforward process of getting your account up and running, ensuring you can connect with loved ones without hassle. I'll guide you through adding contacts and managing your funds, making the entire experience as smooth as possible. This easy method will have you communicating in no time. Setting up your GTL Connect account is the first crucial step. Head over to the official website and look for the registration option. You'll need to provide some basic personal details to create your profile. Remember to use a valid email address, as you'll receive a verification link to activate your account. This ensures your account is secure and ready for use.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking for a great way to pass the time, especially during those moments when you're waiting to connect, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your account is active, adding contacts is simple. Go to the Contacts section in your dashboard and input the necessary details for the individual you wish to connect with. After adding contacts, you'll need to fund your account. You can easily do this using a credit card or other available payment options, ensuring you have sufficient balance for communication. GTL Connect offers several ways to stay in touch. You can send quick text messages using the platform's messaging feature, which is great for short updates. For more personal interactions, schedule video visits to see your loved ones face-to-face. Additionally, the platform allows you to make phone calls, providing various options to maintain vital connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.